At Iron Oaks Custom Homes, building houses has always been about more than just construction. Since 2018, the focus has been on quality craftsmanship, personalised design, and delivering on every promise. But over time, a deeper purpose emerged: building stronger communities and brighter futures. Custom home builders have a unique role. They shape neighbourhoods, influence landscapes, and help families find a place to call home. But the work doesn't stop there. It's about using skills and resources to give back in meaningful ways. Community matters. Growing up in a small town where neighbours looked out for each other shaped the values that drive Iron Oaks today. Community development isn't just about homes and roads. It's about improving quality of life for everyone. That could mean designing energy-efficient homes, supporting local non-profits, or creating accessible spaces for those in need. When builders understand the needs of a community and respond with care, trust is built and lives are lifted. Some of the most meaningful projects aren't the most profitable. Helping a family rebuild after a fire, renovating a community centre, donating materials, volunteering time, mentoring youth. These actions create real impact. Designing with the future in mind also means embracing sustainability. From using smart materials to integrating solar energy in homes and agricultural spaces. It's about building responsibly for generations to come. The ripple effect of giving is powerful. One act of service can inspire many more, transforming neighbourhoods and bringing people together. At Iron Oaks, it's about building with purpose, not just for profit, but for people. Because true success is measured in the lives impacted and the communities strengthened.